Hello and welcome back to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in this Wix tutorial I'll show you how to publish your site so it goes live on the internet, and how to unpublish it if you ever need to take it down. Let's dive straight in. Let's begin with publishing your site. In the dashboard, you just come down here to where it says Design Your Site, scroll across to Edit, click on Edit. This will take you into the editor as Wix loads up the website that we've already prepared here. Now all you have to do is look up to the top right and you will see a blue button where it says Publish. Click on that button. Wix will do stuff in the background, and there you have it. Congratulations, your site is live online. This means it's viewable to the public. If you want to see what it looks like, there is a button here where it says View Site. If we click on there, it will take us to the live version. So we can see here this is live online as anybody else would see it. And it's got the buttons up here which will show you the different elements on the site. Contact, that takes you straight to the contact details. If I get rid of that now and we'll say done there, we've finished with that. Your site is live. If for some reason you want to unpublish your site, then simply go to the Publish button again in the top right, and on the drop down you'll notice there is an unpublished site. Click on that and it takes you into the dashboard. Inside the dashboard we'll see here it confirms that the site is published. So we go to the right hand side on that line where it says Unpublish, click there and it'll get a confirmation box. Click Unpublished and job done. That site is now offline, not visible to anybody. Simple as that. To be able to do the Unpublish, you will need a premium account. If you don't have a premium account, if you're still working on a free account, simply come into your dashboard here where the three dots are, click on the three dots, and the drop down menu here will have a number of things. You're looking for Move to Trash. Click on that and it will tell you here that the site will go into the trash and be kept there for 90 days. And remember, you can always retrieve this from the trash anytime you want to make the site live again. As long as it's within those 90 days, after that, it's toast. Remember that Wix sometimes moves things around in the dashboard. If you don't see Unpublish exactly as I've described it, always check these three dots where the Site Actions menu is in the dashboard. That's where Wix keeps the controls, like rename, duplicate, move to trash. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to publish your site so it goes live on the internet, and what your options are if you want to take it offline. In the next video I'll show you how to duplicate your Wix site, which is really handy if you want to make a backup copy. This is the Online Force and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the Force be with you always.